now the finished product. Look, it's delicious. Huh? It costs only 57 pesos. 57. The pescado seco is 10. The camarón seco is 10. Calabasa is 5. The frioles is 10. Manteca al todo. 35. Magic syrup, isang piraso is 3. 38. The oil, 10 pesos. 48. There is still 9 pesos left. So, the sibuyas, the kamatis. That's all 9 pesos. So, sit, relax, and enjoy. The garlic, it is called calabasa con pescado. The seco fish. The finished product, ladies and gentlemen. The cook show is done.
10 pesos.
And again, the cameraman. Yeah! and then it's about close to 11. So it's
Or advance,
pagkain time. So, bye-bye.